Is your Samsung screen staying too dim or too bright because adaptive brightness isn't working right? This is important because a screen that's too dark or too bright can strain your eyes and drain your battery faster. No worries, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix the adaptive brightness issue on your phone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reset adaptive brightness. First, go to the settings, then scroll down, find out the apps, and then tap on it. Now tap on the filter icon from the middle right side. Toggle on the Show System Apps. Then tap OK from the bottom. Now tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Tap Device Health Services. Tap on it. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap on Storage. After that, at the bottom left, you'll see the Clear Data option. Then tap on it. Now tap on Clear All Data. Then tap OK. Solution 2. Check your software update. Go to the settings again. Scroll down. Then tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my last solution. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go back to Settings again. Then scroll down. Tap on General Management. Scroll down again. Then tap Reset. Scroll down again. Now tap Reset all settings. Then tap Reset settings. Again, tap Reset. Wait for a while. That's how you can fix the adaptive brightness problem on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.